أهلا بكم إلى هذا الدرس في برنامج تكلم العربية مع أوبا كيدز على قناة أوبا كيدز لينك. اليوم بإذن الله تعالى سنتكلم عن إن وأخواتها. You are all welcome to this program Speak Arabic with Oba Kids. Today, inshallah, we're going to discuss Inna and its sisters in Arabic language. We're going to talk about their meanings and their functions in Arabic sentences. In our previous lesson, we discussed Kana and its sisters. We defined them as a set of verbs that are working with al-mubtada, the subject, and al-khabar, the predicate. Thereby changed the subject's parsing mark into a dammah called ismuhu, its noun, and the predicate parsing mark to al-fatha, known as khabaruhu, its predicate. Today, inshallah, we shall discuss Inna wa akhwatuha, Inna and its sisters, which have grammatical opposite effect of Kana and its sisters in Arabic sentences. Inna wa akhwatuha, Inna and its sisters. Inna and its sisters are sets of particles that are working with nominal sentence comprised of al-mubtada, the subject, and al-khabar, the predicate, just like Kana and its sisters. However, Inna and its sisters give the accusative case to the subject and nominative case to the predicate, as opposed to Kana and its sisters. Inna and its sisters, when they enter into a nominative sentence, consists of the subject and the predicate. The first one, which is the subject, takes a nasb sign, which is al-fatha, and it will be called ismuhu, its noun. And the second one, which is the predicate, will be given a raf'u sign, which is a dammah, and it will be called khabaruhu, its predicate. The following are regarded as Inna and its sisters: Inna, Anna, Ka'anna, Lakinna, Laita, and La'alla. Now let us discuss each of the particles with examples in sentences. Inna. The first of Inna and its sisters is Inna itself. Inna means surely, or indeed, or verily. Al-jumlatu li-ismiyatu, nominal sentences. Al-jumlatu ma Inna, sentences with Inna. Al-waladu sagirun, the boy is small. Inna al-walada sagirun, surely the boy is small. Al-baytu jamilun, the house is beautiful. Inna al-bayta jamilun, surely the house is beautiful. Al-hisanu sari'un, the horse is fast. Inna al-hisana sari'un, surely the horse is fast. Al-masjidu ba'idun, the mosque is far. Inna al-masjida ba'idun, surely the mosque is far. These set of nominal sentences both take dammah. The mubtada takes dammah and the khabar also takes dammah. But in the set of nominal sentences affected by Inna, the mubtada takes fatha while the khabar takes dammah. Anna. The second of the sisters is Anna, which means that. Al-jumlatu li-ismiyatu, nominal sentences. Al-jumlatu ma Anna, sentences with Anna. Al-waladu sagirun, the boy is small. Sami'tu anna al-walada sagirun, I heard that the boy is small. Al-baytu jamilun, the house is beautiful. Wajadtu anna al-bayta jamilun, I found that the house is beautiful. Al-hisanu sari'un, the horse is fast. Yasurruni anna al-hisana sari'un, I am happy that the horse is fast. Al-masjidu ba'idun, the mosque is far. A'jabani anna al-masjida ba'idun, it surprises me that the mosque is far. In these set of nominal sentences, the mubtada takes dammah while the khabar takes dammah. But in the set of sentences affected by Anna, the mubtada takes fatha while the khabar takes dammah. And also, you can see that Anna is accompanied by either fi'lul madi or fi'lul mudari. Ka'anna. The third of these sisters is Ka'anna, which means is like الجملة الاسمية nominal sentences. الجملة مع كأن sentences with كأن. الولد صغير the boy is small. كأن الولد صغير is like the boy is small. البيت جميل the house is beautiful. كأن البيت جميل is like the house is beautiful. الحصان سريع the horse is fast. كأن الحصان سريع is like the horse is fast. المسجد بعيد the mosque is far. كأن المسجد بعيد is like the mosque is far. These rows of sentences, nominal sentences, the mubtada takes dhamma while the khabar also takes dhamma, but in the row of sentences affected by ka'anna, the mubtada takes fatha while the khabar takes dhamma. Lakinna, the next one is lakinna. Lakinna means but. الجملة الاسمية nominal sentences. الجملة مع لكن sentences with لكن. الولد صغير the boy is small. الأب كبير the father is big. لكن الولد صغير but the boy is small. البيت جميل the house is beautiful. الأساس قديم the furniture is old. لكن البيت جميل but the house is beautiful. الحصان سريع the horse is fast. الرجل ذكي the man is smart. لكن الحصان سريع but the horse is fast. المسجد بعيد the mosque is far. البيت قريب the house is near. لكن المسجد بعيد but the mosque is far. In these sets of sentences, you see that the mubtada takes dhamma and the khabar also takes dhamma. But in the set of sentences affected by lakin, you see that the mubtada takes fatha and the khabar takes dhamma. And also, you can also see another nominal sentences before lakinna, and the ones that actually get affected are the nominal sentences after lakinna. They're the ones that actually get affected, and lakinna is more used for comparison. Laita, another of the sisters is laita, which means if only. Laita, الجملة الاسمية nominal sentences. الجملة مع laita sentences with laita. الولد صغير the boy is small. ليت الولد صغير if only the boy is small. البيت جميل the house is beautiful. ليت البيت جميل if only the house is beautiful. الحصان سريع the horse is fast. ليت الحصان سريع if only the horse is fast. المسجد قريب the mosque is near. ليت المسجد قريب if only the mosque is near. In this set of nominal sentences, the mubtada takes dhamma and the khabar also takes dhamma. But in the set of nominal sentences affected by laita, mubtada takes fatha, the khabar takes dhamma. And also, laita is used to wish something can happen. Like laita is used to wish, like laita liwalada sagirun. You wish that the boy is small, but the boy can never be small. La'alla. And finally, the last of the sisters is la'alla, which means perhaps or maybe. الجملة الاسمية nominal sentences. الجملة مع لعل sentences with لعل. الولد صغير the boy is small. لعل الولد صغير maybe the boy is small. البيت جميل the house is beautiful. لعل البيت جميل maybe the house is beautiful. الحصان سريع the horse is fast. لعل الحصان سريع maybe the horse is fast. المسجد قريب the mosque is near. لعل المسجد قريب maybe the mosque is near. In this set of nominal sentences, the mubtada takes dhamma while the khabar also takes dhamma. In the set of sentences affected by la'alla, mubtada takes fatha or the khabar takes dhamma. And La Allah is used to say that there's a chance of something happening, like Allah li walada sagir. Maybe the boy is small. That means there's a chance of the boy being small, but the boy might not actually be small. The first set of sentences consists of al-mubtada, the subject, and al-khabar, the predicate. They are both in nominative case, ending with a rafu sign. But if we look into the second set of the sentences with the same examples, we discover that they consist of one of the inna and its sisters. Then, if we look at the end of the noun in the second set of sentence, we found out that the first noun takes al-fatha and the second one takes ad-damma. This means inna and its sisters, when enter into the subject and the predicate, the first one takes al-fatha and it is called noun, and the second one takes ad-damma and it's called the predicate. Note, inna and its sisters are similar to kana and its sisters, but they have the grammatical opposite effects. Hope you enjoy our lesson for today. Join us on the next lesson for another episode of Speak Arabic with Oba Kids on Oba Kid Link TV. Hope you enjoyed our class for today. Join us on the next lesson for another episode on Speak Arabic with Oba Kids. Shukran ala mushahada. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel Oba Kids Link TV on Facebook and Instagram. So for more interesting topics and subjects, visit our website at www.obatutor.com. Thank you all for your support.